Aw, come here, little guy. I just love cats. Hey everyone, it's me, Doodles, and I'm here to talk about cats and dogs, and which I like better. Now you may be thinking that since I do have a dog, that I would like dogs better. But, little viewer, no. Ow, that really hurt. Anyways, yes, I do have a dog. His name is Rudy, and I made a terrible video about his backstory that you should definitely not watch. I plan to make another video about him in the future, but not now. I do love Rudy, but let's just say he's not the brightest of the bunch. But cats, however, I love. I've been to a camp about cats. My grandpa has cats. Sadly, one died a while ago. Rest in peace, Sammy. And sadly, a lot of my family is allergic, and my mom doesn't exactly like animals, so I can't have a cat. Now you may be thinking, but cats are vicious animals that can't feel love and affection, and dogs are cute balls of fluff that love humans and will never stop loving you. But that just isn't true. It all depends on the owner and how the animal feels. I personally just like cats better. They can be a little energetic and chill. And yes, dogs can be the same, but I just like cats because they are smaller and sometimes cuter. And yes, I love Rudy and other dogs very much, but I just love cats a little bit more. My favorite cat is a Siamese cat. I think they're very pretty, interesting, and cute. I would love to have one once I leave my house. If I had to rank dogs and cats from 0 to 10, I'd rank cats 10 out of 10 and dogs 9.5 out of 10. I'm sorry, that's just how it is. So there's my video about cats and dogs. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Doodles out. Hey there, hope you enjoyed this month's video. I have a drawing tablet and a drawing glove. I'm still learning how to use it, but hopefully this video was better. I'm planning to make my videos a little shorter, like 2 to 5 minutes, because 1, people have really low attention spans. 2, it makes it easier for people to watch all my videos. And 3, it doesn't make me stressed and spend my whole life animating. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!